Days after teasing its most ambitious smartphone in the Edge 70 series, Motorola has confirmed the launch date of the Motorola Edge 70 Max in India. The announcement was made via the phone's dedicated Flipkart microsite, which also reveals several key specifications. The Edge 70 Max will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 SoC and feature a Quad HD Plus LTPO display, a 7,100 mAh battery, magnetic wireless charging, and more. Overall, the smartphone appears to be geared towards gaming and is likely to appeal to power users. Motorola Edge 70 Max India launch date. The Motorola Edge 70 Max is set to launch in India on July 15th. The handset will be the brand's first-ever Max model and is expected to debut with flagship-grade hardware. Positioned as the most powerful device in the lineup, the Edge 70 Max will sit above the existing Motorola Edge 70, Edge 70 Fusion, Edge 70 Pro, and Edge 70 Pro Plus. Moreover, the Edge 70 Max appears well-positioned to challenge sub-flagship rivals such as the OnePlus 15R and iQOO 15R, thanks to its top-end specifications. Before we get to the hardware, the Edge 70 Max appears to mark Motorola's shift away from its signature curved edge design in favor of a more contemporary flat edge look. The official renders confirm flat sides, complemented by the familiar square camera module. Furthermore, the device will boast an aluminum frame and a glass back for a premium look and in-hand feel. The module appears to house a dual camera setup, although the sensor details remain under wraps. What we do know, however, is that the Edge 70 Max will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 SoC. The same chipset powers devices such as the Motorola Signature, OnePlus 15R, and iQOO 15R, delivering flagship-level performance. Motorola claims the chip can achieve an Antutu score of over 3 million and that it will be paired with up to 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, along with on-device AI processing capabilities. Moving on, the Edge 70 Max will feature Motorola's active mesh cooling system with a 5000 Superscript 2 vapor chamber, which is claimed to efficiently dissipate heat and minimize performance throttling during demanding workloads. Beyond performance, Motorola is also focusing on the viewing experience with a segment's first Quad HD plus 10-bit LTPO AMOLED display, which is rated to 120 frames per second BGMI gaming for a smooth experience. The display will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i and support a dynamic 144 Hz refresh rate, the DCI P3 color gamut, and up to 7,000 nits of peak brightness. The official renders also confirm a centered punch-hole display with razor-thin bezels. Motorola claims the Edge 70 Max offers a 95.12% screen-to-body ratio, promising an immersive viewing experience. Keeping the lights on is a 7,100 mAh battery. While it may not be the largest in its segment, Motorola aims to make up for it with 90W turbo power wired charging and what it claims is the category's only fast magnetic wireless charging solution. The phone also appears to feature built-in magnets, similar to Apple's MagSafe system, allowing users to easily attach compatible chargers and other magnetic accessories. Needless to say, the Motorola Edge 70 Max will run the company's latest Hello UI out of the box, which is packed with plenty of AI features. It's certainly shaping up to be an interesting smartphone, one to keep an eye on. While Motorola is yet to reveal the pricing, the brand has a history of pricing its devices competitively. If that trend continues, those in the market for a sub-flagship gaming smartphone should hold off on their purchase and see how the Motorola Edge 70 Max plays out in the real world. Motorola today announced the Australian launch of two new smartphones, the Motorola Signature and the Motorola Edge 70. Coming along with them is a host of new accessories including the Moto Watch, Moto Pen Ultra, and new Moto Buds. The new smartphones are aimed at the premium end of the smartphone market, but still come in at comparatively affordable prices compared to the absolute top-end devices. Motorola Signature. The flagship device in the line is the Motorola Signature, and it's a sign of Motorola making a big commitment to smartphone photography. The smartphone features the DxOMark Gold label, showing it meets high standards of photography benchmarks with the new Sony LYTIA sensors. It strikes a super thin profile with a premium-feeling fabric back, aluminum chassis, and quad-curve glass screen. The colors on offer are Pantone Carbon and Pantone Martini Olive, both attractive and unique colorways. On the inside, it's powered by the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, enabling onboard AI features and responsive day-to-day performance. Motorola Edge 70. The Edge 70 comes in with a thin, lightweight chassis that make it easy to carry without compromising on battery life, performance, or camera specs. Motorola has used a newly developed 4,800 mAh silicon carbon battery for the Edge 70, meaning all-day performance and better longevity over time. The Edge 70 comes in Pantone Bronze Green, Pantone Gadget Gray, and Pantone Lilipad for unique and stylish colors. Contrasting accents around the camera lenses make this a super stylish device. The Edge 70 is available for pre-order now, coming in at $899 RRP. There's also a Swarovski edition born of the continuing partnership that comes in Pantone Cloud Dancer at $1,099 RRP. You can check out our review of the prior Swarovski edition Motorola Razr 60 here. Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. The Edge 70 Fusion is a more affordable alternative to the Edge 70, but comes in with a few selling points of its own. Powering the device is a huge 7,000 mAh silicon carbon battery that Motorola Seus provides up to 450 hours of battery life. Motorola accessories. One of the most exciting accessories available for the new lineup is the Moto Pen Ultra, a stylus that provides precision writing feel for quick note-taking, sketching, and brainstorming. The Moto Pen Ultra is available at $139 RRP. The broader range of accessories are available now too, including the Moto Buds 2 and 2 Plus at $99 and $159 RRP respectively, the Moto Buds Loop at $399, and the Moto Watch at $199. Each is available in a range of Pantone colors. Motorola's upcoming premium phone, the Motorola Signature, has appeared in a leaked promotional image ahead of its India launch on January 7th. The device was previously linked to the Edge 70 Ultra name, but the new material suggests Motorola may be positioning it a bit differently. The image, shared by Tech, shows the phone in a green color option, reportedly called Martini Olive. What stands out most is a stylus placed next to the device, hinting that Motorola could finally bring pen support to its flagship lineup. So far, stylus features have mostly been limited to the G stylus series. In some regions, including China, the phone is expected to launch as the Moto X70 Air Pro. The same promotional poster also includes several other Motorola products, including a smartwatch, a tracking device, possibly the rumored Moto Tag 2, a speaker, and a special Edge 70 Swarovski Crystal Edition. This suggests Motorola may use the event to highlight its wider product ecosystem rather than focusing only on the phone itself and on the performance side. A Geekbench listing spotted earlier indicate the Motorola Signature could run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. The CPU configuration shown in Geekbench aligns with what's expected from a 2026 flagship for Motorola. Separately, leaker Evan Blass has shared wallpapers believed to be made for the device, adding to the growing list of pre-launch details. Other specifications, including camera hardware, display details, and battery size, haven't been revealed yet. However, stylus support alone could help the Motorola Signature stand out in a crowded premium segment. With the official launch just around the corner, more concrete details should surface soon. For a while now, Motorola has flirted with the premium phone market. Aside from the foldable Razr phones, Moto's Edge Pro range is probably the closest it's been to competing with the high-end handsets from Apple, Samsung, and Google in Australia. But now, Motorola is making its biggest local play yet for the premium phone crown with the newly launched Signature. Much of the Motorola Signature reflects the brand's high-level aspirations. A $1,499 starting price tag, an aluminum frame, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, and 7 years of post-launch updates. It ticks a lot of premium boxes. Motorola is leaning heavily on the phone's photography credentials, boasting a Dexomark Gold label for the camera array. That means it reaches a certain benchmark across various lighting conditions and color accuracy. A lot of the Motorola Signature's photography prowess comes from its Sony LYTI 828 sensors, including a 3x optical telephoto lens. Joining the Signature is an avalanche of Other new Motorola phones. Set to launch in Australia on April 16th. The range includes the $899 Edge 70, the $699 Edge 70 Fusion, and the $499 Moto G67. It's a comprehensive launch, one that covers the mid-range market all the way through to the top-of-the-line handsets. Of the other phones, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion stands out for its massive 7,000 mAh battery. If you run out of juice while using this phone, that's likely on you. Alongside the phones, Motorola also confirmed a new series of accessories, led by the debut of the $199 Moto Watch. It has a stainless steel frame and polar integration, along with up to 13 days of battery life. There's also the $139 Moto Pen Ultra, a stylus designed to pair with the Motorola signature. Rounding out the mega launch are the Moto Buds Loop, $399, Moto Buds 2, $99, and Moto 2 Plus, $159.